Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting an aesthetic seascape. Starting with the sky, I'm using a greyish blue kind of shade for which I took a good amount of white, mixed a very tiny amount of black in it and then added Prussian blue to make this greyish blue kind of shade. At the top area, I added some more of Prussian blue and blended it onto the surface. Now I have a pinkish peachy shade kind here for which I took a very good amount of white, a little bit of poster red and some orange. Leave some space between the blue area and the pink area and add white to it. Then clean your brush and first blend the blue area so that there is a smooth gradient between the blue and the white area. Just brush over it with very light strokes. Make sure the brush is moist and water is not flowing out of it. Then wash your brush, get rid of the excess water and blend the peachy area with the white. It will be better if you keep blending from the peachy area towards the blue area to achieve a smooth blend. After it dries up, for the clouds first, on the blue area I'm using white. Using a mop brush here with a thin coat of white, that is some water mixed into it, I'm dabbing to make clouds. Add more white wherever the cloud has to be a little brighter. Now blend the edges of the cloud with your fingers with very light circular motions. Similarly, we'll be doing all the other white clouds on the blue area. Simply add white and blend the edges using your fingers in small circular motions. Wherever the cloud has to be light, use a watery mixture of white. The more you dab with your fingers, the lighter the shade becomes. Now the earlier greyish blue shade which we used for the sky, I'm using the same shade to create clouds on the peach area. These clouds also have to be made in the same manner as we did for the white clouds. Now in the center of the sheet, I'm using white in a small circle to paint the sun. My brush size here is 0. Now for the sun rays, here's the trick. Starting from the center of the sun, move your brush towards the outside so that some white paint gets to the outer sides as a thin stroke. For the sun rays here, I did not use white from outside, I took it out of the sun. And then you can blend the sun rays using a moist brush and brushing over it. I'm also adding some more blue clouds and the peachy shade to add shadows to the blue clouds wherever the light reflects on them. Now for the sea, for the base I'm using a pretty turquoise shade. So the shade which we had already made for the blue sky first, that is the greyish blue, I mixed into it some dark green and some dark blue. And then you can add some white to lighten the shade. Turquoise shades are mainly made by using blue and green and then adding white onto it when you want to make it lighter. Add more of blue if you want a bluish shade, or add more of green if you want a greenish shade. To the previous shade, I mixed some more of dark green to make a further darker shade of turquoise, and with that I did a big wave in front of the sheet and some other waves on the further area. I made a middle tone by mixing a little amount of white to the previous shade and added more waves. Added some blue to the previous shade to make a bluish shade and added some more waves. And finally added white to the previous shade to make the lightest shade possible, and with that I'm adding highlights. The highlights with the lightest shade mainly lie over the darkest waves, and the peachy shade I'm adding for some highlights which the waves might be reflecting due to the sun. And then some tiny white dots with a detail brush for the glistening water. For painting water, move from the darkest shade towards the highlights. Peel the masking tape off after your painting has become dry. Here you are with your aesthetic seascape painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.